Well, hello there. How you guys doing today? All right, so I spent the morning practicing with the angle grinder and practicing with a wood burning pen or a pyrography pen, fancy term. And it's hot and we got people coming over tonight, so I really didn't think I was gonna do any more work today. However, I totally forgot, if I wanna work tomorrow, I gotta glue something up today. I have a bunch of scrap pieces of wood that I'm going to glue together to make a canvas, if you will. I was gonna use pallet wood for this project. Right back there. Oh, see it? See it? See it? There it is, there it is. But then a buddy of mine saw that pallet wood and said there's no stamps on it. If there's no stamps on it, it could be treated with highly toxic chemical and I should probably not light it on fire. So if anybody needs some pallets, I'll get you a real good deal. I think my kid is crying. So we're just gonna cut all these down to size and then we're gonna glue them and clamp them. Oh. Alright guys, it's the next day. It's been about 24 hours since I glued up the blank. The canvas. So next up is to put our stencil on. So I just sketched up a Punisher skull on Adobe Illustrator and then I blew it up to 16 inches tall. Put some carbon paper on the back and just real quick, this just irritates me. So I go to Michael's today to the craft shop, buy some carbon paper. And they have two, this many, 4x4 sheets of carbon paper for $4. So I go to an office supply store, 25 8.5 by 11 sheets for $9. Michael's, man. Moral of the story, go to an office supply store if you want to do crafts. Yeah. So that right there is scary. And here's why. Because I really like the way it looks right now, but it's not done. So from here on out, I literally have to make sure that I don't make it worse. And that sucks because now the pressure's on. But it's a new day. Let's get to work. All right, it has been ground. I just went and roughed it up with the angle grinder and now we are going to take a torch to it. You wanna know why this is funny? Yeah. Yeah. That's the other end of the extension cord that's been plugged into to my wood burner. Oops. The cicadas, man, they be going crazy because they horny. There's one like running into my garage door right now.